Hey gamers! Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my latest mobile gaming guides, tips, and tricks. Today, I'll be walking you through a super simple hack method to unlock unlimited gems in Archero 2. No required PC, no rooting, no jailbreaking, just your phone. I tried it myself, and it worked smoothly without any issues. So let's jump right into it, step by step. First things first, open up Archero 2 and go to your profile section. There you'll see your user ID. It's usually a string of numbers. Take a screenshot or write it down. You'll need it for the next part. All set? Great, let's keep going. Next, open up your mobile browser, Safari, Chrome, whichever you prefer, and head to the site I'm showing in this video. Search for Archero 2 and look for the Unlimited Gems hack. Tap on it and you'll be taken straight to the tool page. Couldn't be easier. On the tool page, you'll see a quick form. Choose your platform, Android or iOS, then type in your user ID. Double-check to make sure your details are correct, and then hit Proceed. The system will link to your account. It only takes a few seconds, and everything runs through secure servers. Once your profile is connected, you can pick how much resources you want to add. Choose the amount that works for you, then hit Proceed again. The generator will take care of all the behind-the-scenes steps: encryption, syncing, and verification. We're almost done. Before the resources can appear, you'll need to pass a quick human verification. Don't worry, it's nothing tricky. Usually, it just means downloading a free app and opening it for a minute. And if you're unsure, the site usually includes a step-by-step guide to help you out. Once you're finished, you're good to go. Now, reopen Archero 2 and check your balance. Your gems should be there, ready to use instantly. It worked perfectly for me. No grinding, no spending money, just results. And that's the full walkthrough, how to get unlimited gems in Archero 2. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Got stuck anywhere? Drop your question in the comments. I check them regularly and will help you out. And of course, hit subscribe and ring that bell icon so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks a ton for watching. Enjoy your boosted account, and I'll see you in the next video.